SUI could dip 3% by March 2, 30 rates indicates. Let's begin with a short review of today's market direction. As of now, SUI has increased by 9.5% in the last 24 hours and is hovering near $0.9241. Time to explore what analysts foresee. CoinCodex expects the price to move towards $0.9431 by tomorrow, representing a gain of about 2.3%. CoinPrice forecast projects a move up to 93 cents for SUI, which implies a gain of 0.8%. CoinLore highlights it could edge downward to $0.9215, marking a drop close to 0.1%. Another prediction from 30 rates notes SUI may fall towards $0.8944, an estimated move lower of 3%. Finally, Gulf Capital Collector sees a move to $0.8355 by March 2, a 9.4% dip. This one gives the best short-term opportunity. All 5 takes are in. Let's shift ahead. Now that the forecasts are clear, let's dive into the numbers. According to the data, the price swing could be from a drop of 9.4% to a rise of 2.3%. Based on these forecasts, Gulf Capital Collector stands in first place with 9.4% gain in value by tomorrow. That makes it possible to bring in between $1 and $94 for every $1,000 you invest. From a probability perspective, CoinLore has the most dependable forecast, showing a 97.2% chance of success. By merging all 5 forecasts, I've established a single consensus view. From all forecasts combined, SUI could drop by roughly 1.9%. Here's how it looks in detail. Consensus calculations suggest a 1.9% price decrease by tomorrow. That forecast suggests your capital might also gain by 1.9%. In practice, 1,000 might correspond to roughly $19 gained. In turn, the probability of the consensus forecast holding up is around 93.3%. Now then, let's take a closer look at how analysts envision the 3-day scenario. CoinCodex indicates that prices could dip further. CoinPrice forecast highlights that SUI is on an upward path. For the near term, CoinLore sees the price staying level. 30 rates sees SUI losing ground. Similarly, Gulf Capital Collector expects losses to extend. Consensus forecasts highlight SUI trading on the downside over the next 3 days. Bringing together the forecasts, the majority anticipates SUI softening. 2 days back, 5 forecasts were published. Now we'll see how they measured against reality. Ultimately, the market closed near $0.904. 4 out of 5 analysts correctly predicted the move. Digital coin price had the most spot on prediction. Let's map it out. 2 predictions matched the span of the daily candle. For ROI performance, multiple analysts managed to stay above zero, and CoinDataFlow led with 10.2%. Here's the daily summary, how every forecast actually worked out. CoinDataFlow had accuracy 23.2% forecast probability and 10.2% ROI. Look and see who stayed closest to the real price movement. Let's take a look at how tomorrow's projected performance in percentage terms compares for SUI and the others. In the latest forecast comparison, SUI stays below AVE, which projects 2.1% return. In this section, SUI appears next to 4 randomly chosen cryptocurrencies. The extended table with many more assets and analyst accuracy data will soon go live on my site and Telegram. If you made it to the end, you're awesome, and if this was helpful, drop a like. I'd really appreciate it. Bye, folks.